Muthenya umwe thutha wa uri urari mutongoria wa kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga guthikwo kwa mucii Kang'o ka Jaramogi Bondo county ya Siaya, umuthi ni atugirwo ni President William Ruto na ngoga ya Chief of the Golden Heart of Kenya na gukuranwo ta umwe wa njamba nene cia bururi ona ari mukuo.
On behalf of a grateful nation and through the authority vested in me as president, I have today posthumously conferred upon the Right Honorable Raila Odinga the highest honor of the Republic, the Chief of the Order of the Golden Heart of Kenya.
President augite kiheo giki ni kumana na itemi riria Raila aranyitite kugacirithia uthii wa na mbere wa bururi na muigi ari thirikari-ini kana ari mwena wa mung'ethaniro.
The first lesson that Baba taught us is to put country above self. Time and again, he reminded us that no disagreement is greater than our unity. No ambition more important than our peace, and no personal interest higher than the welfare of our nation.
Gogeno heanagwo kuri andu aria mekite wega muno kwagirithia bururi na ni andu anini manaheo o tiga atongoria a bururi undu uyu gikindira ucamba wa Raila.
He was a die-in-the-wool eternal optimist. Through every trial, setback and triumph, the Right Honorable Raila believed that Kenya's best days were still ahead. He endured prison, persecution, and political defeat, yet never surrendered to bitterness or gave in to hopelessness.
President kwaragia ri kiharo-ini gia Ithokwe county-ini ya Kitui hindi ya mambura ma mashujaa maria ahutherire gutugiria na kuraha wirutiri wa Raila uturo wake wothe guku akiranira gukinyaniria maundu maria maraiguithaniirie na Odinga ma kwagirithia bururi hatari muthutukanio.
He knew that Kenya, like all nations, was not perfect, that nation building was work in progress, that it is only renewed with every generation. He understood that we are an imperfect people, always striving towards a more perfect union. Yet even in our flaws, he saw magic and beauty. In our struggles, he discerned promise, and in our contradictions, he could pick out hope and unity.
Miario ya President Ruto ni nyititwo baru ni President wa Senegal Diomaye Faye uria uma mugeni wa mambura ma mwaka uyu akiuga Raila ni mani arehothete uturo wake wothe ni undu wa Kenya na ndakanariganira.
I would like first to take this opportunity to renew the heartfelt condolences of the people of Senegal to the brotherly people of Kenya and the passing of Mr. Raila Odinga, a former Prime Minister and a great leader in the political history of Kenya.
President ugite ni aguthie na mbere kwaraniria na atongoria kuma mieho yothe ya giuteti niguo kugacirithia urumwe na wiguano wa muingi wa bururi ta uria Odinga arendete. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.